This review is of Simply Nature Organic Orange Banana Strawberry Juice Blend. It's also non-GMO, USDA organic. Here are the nutrition facts and the ingredients. Yeah, so I'm going to open this up so we can give it a taste. Would you like to try some with me? My cat loves these things. Ready? 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 Woo! Alright. Let's see what kind of juice it actually has in it other than orange, banana, and strawberry. Let's see. Apple, white grapes, pineapple. Yeah. There you go. Cheers. A little bit of tartness, a bit of sweetness. It's not too strong. It's quite nice. Good balance of the different flavors. You know, I always hate it when I get a juice drink or a water beverage that's flavored, and there's a horrible imbalance between or even a food, and there's a horrible imbalance between the flavors that are listed in the name of the product. It's just, especially if you can't actually taste one of them. But this is good. I think you should give it a try. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.